Some stories don't begin with people. They begin with silence. In an old American garage, as daylight fades, dust hangs in the air, like memories waiting to be disturbed. A single bulb flickers, casting light on a floor stained by years of honest work. Beneath a faded canvas cover rests a shape from another time. Rounded fenders, heavy steel, a promise hiding in plain sight. This is Jack, a restorer. A man who spent a lifetime bringing broken things back to life. His hands worn, his eyes still searching. Slowly, carefully, he pulls the cover away. Dust rises, the past exhales. He freezes, because he knows this face. This smell of chrome and steel. His hand moves across the hood. The paint is cracked, tired, but beneath it, the heart is still strong. And suddenly, he's not alone anymore. He remembers being a boy, laughing from the passenger seat. The world rushing by with endless possibility. He remembers driving nights, headlights glowing, summer air filled with dreams and music. He remembers neon reflections on wet pavement. A red Chevrolet gliding through the night, alive with purpose. Day breaks. Work begins, the garage fills with light. Tools on the wall, music on the radio, time moving forward again. The car is lifted. Wheels come off, piece by piece. The story is uncovered, chrome is removed, scud, but proud. Bolts soak. Headlights are examined. Every part matters. The hood ornament comes free, wrapped gently. A crown waiting to return. Inside, the car is bare. Seat springs exposed, bones showing. And then, a small discovery. A matchbook. Ruby's Diner. Route 66. Jack smiles, because cars remember what we try to forget. Under the hood, the heart reveals itself. An old inline 6. Grease-covered. Silent. Jack turns the crank. It moves, cleaning, repairing, renewing. Carbon disappears. Metal shines. Old meets new quietly. Respectfully. The engine returns home. Fuel, spark, air. The key turns. Nothing. A breath. The key turns again. The engine roars. Alive. Jack laughs. Because some moments are too big for words. The car is stripped to steel. Honest, vulnerable. Primer lays the foundation. And then, red. Deep, glossy. Like molten memory. Chrome shines again. Lights glow warm. Seats are stitched. Gauges awaken. The final touch. The hood ornament returns. The car is whole. At sunset, it rolls out of the garage for the first time in decades. Jack takes the wheel. Hands steady. Heart full. The road opens. The car glides. Memories ride shotgun. A boy's smile. A woman laughing. A father's quiet presence. Not ghosts. Companions. At the car show. People gather. They admire the shine. And disappears. Metal shines. Old meets new quietly. Respectfully. The engine returns home. Fuel, spark, air. The key turns. Nothing. A breath. The key turns again. The engine roars. Alive. Jack laughs. Because some moments are too big for words. The car is stripped to steel. Honest, vulnerable. Lays the foundation. And then, red. Deep, glossy. Like molten memory. Chrome shines again. Lights glow warm. Seats are stitched. Gauges awaken. The final touch. The hood ornament returns. The car is whole. At sunset, it rolls out of the garage for the first time in decades. Jack takes the wheel. Hands steady. Heart full. The road opens. The car glides. Memories ride shotgun. A boy smiling. A woman laughing. A father's quiet presence. Not ghosts. Companions. At the car show. People gather. They admire the shine. The lines, the history. The plaque reads, 1950s Chevrolet Coupe. Restored. Not replaced. A little girl looks up and asks, "Is it fast?" Jack smiles. "Fast enough," he says, to carry stories. As the sun sets once more, the Chevrolet drives on red paint glowing. Headlights warm. Because some restorations don't just bring cars back, they bring time with them. Pause. Fade